Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12th. And also, today we'll learn a new topic, that is Share Certificate in the chapter Issue of Shares. Share Certificate. Students, before moving ahead in depth with this kind of certificate, let us know what does it mean. A share certificate is said to be a registered document. Registered document means legal document issued by a company which is an evidence of ownership. Evidence means proof of specified number of shares of the company. This means a share certificate is a legal document given by a company to the owner of the company's shares, stating that the person named in the certificate is the owner of the share. Students, आप जब कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या क्वेश्चन किया जाता है, क्या पूछा जाता है कि आपने कितना परसेंट 10th में सिक्योर किया है, कितने परसेंट से आप 10th पास हो. तो आपके बोलने से क्या वो यकीन कर लेते हैं? क्या वो आपको एडमिशन दे देते हैं? नहीं. तो ऐसी वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो शो करती है, ये प्रूव करती है कि आपने 10th इतने इतने परसेंट से पास किया है? हाँ स्टूडेंट, आपका एसएससी पासिंग सर्टिफिकेट. सो स्टूडेंट, सेम शेयर सर्टिफिकेट ये वो सर्टिफिकेट है जो कंपनी उनके शेयर होल्डर को देती है, जो ये प्रूव करता है कि सो एंड सो पर्सन ने कंपनी का इतने इतने नंबर का शेयर्स खरीदा है और वो इन शेयर के और कंपनी के मेंबर ओनर है. इन सिंपल टर्म, share certificate, it is the ownership certificate which shows such number of shares a person purchased from the company. Moving ahead with contents of share certificate. Students, content means detailed information. Let us see what information a share certificate contains. The very first detail in the share certificate is the name of the company. Then SIN, C-I-N. The full form of SIN is Corporate Identity Number, or we can say Company Identification Number. Student, it is an unique number which consists of 21 digit, and it consists alphanumeric number, means which include both alphabet and number. Also, a share certificate contains the company's registered office address. Registered office address, the main head office of the company. Second content is folio number. Folio number, it is a number of that register page on which detail of the shareholder is recorded. Third content is share certificate number. Share certificate number, it is the certificate number written on the top of the share certificate. Like if company is issuing first share certificate, then on the top of that share certificate they will mention number 1. Fourth is name of the member. Name of the member, मेंबर वो कहलाते हैं जो कंपनी का शेयर खरीदे हैं, शेयर होल्डर का नाम. फिफ्थ कंटेंट इज नेचर ऑफ द शेयर. नेचर, it relates to the class, type of the share. For example, whether it is equity shares or preference shares. Next, number of shares. Number of share means how much share that person has purchased. How much share that person is holding. 10, 20, 30, etc. That will be mentioned in this certificate. And distinctive numbers of the share. Student, distinctive number, it is also said distinct number. For example, if you have purchased 10 shares, so in your share certificate, distinctive number will be from 1 to 10. Or suppose if you have purchased 20 shares, then it will be from 1 to 20. Next content is amount paid on shares. Amount paid on share, it is related to the money paid on shares, whether it is fully paid or partly paid. Fully paid shows that you have paid full amount, full money on the share you have purchased. Partly paid means half money on the total number of share you have purchased of the company. Last content of the share certificate is the common seal and signature of two directors and company secretary. Student, common seal, it is also known as the official signature of the company, or you can say stamp. With this, it also contains the signature of two directors of the company, and with them company secretary signature too. So these were the contents, these were the information which a share certificate contains. According to the Companies Act, every company is required to issue share certificate within the given time. The very first, when the company gets incorporated. Students, incorporated means registered. So, within 2 months from the date of incorporation, a company should issue share certificate to the subscriber of Memorandum of Association. Second, when company make allotment of shares. So, within 2 months from the date of that allotment, the company should issue share certificate to the allottees. And in the case of transfer and transmission of shares. Students, transfer of share means transferring of ownership from one person to another person. Transmission of share means transfer of share by operation of law. It means legally. When shareholder dies or insane, so automatically the share get transferred to the nominee person, is said to be transmission of shares. So in such case, within 1 month, a company should transfer the share to the so-called person. So this were the time limit for issuing share certificate. Duplicate share certificate. Students, duplicate means exactly similar to like something, means exact copy. Share certificate, as you all know, it is an evidence proving that so-called person is the owner of the company. Here, a shareholder requests the company for duplicate share certificate when his share certificate gets defaced. Students, defaced means spoil, kharab hona. Mutilated, mutilated when that certificate gets damaged. For example, owner's name cannot be read, or certificate get torn, share certificate का फट जाना, or that certificate get lost or destroyed. It means या फिर वो सर्टिफिकेट वो शेयर होल्डर से गुम हो जाना, मिसप्लेस हो जाना. सो ऑन सच केसेस a company should issue duplicate share certificate to the shareholder within 3 months, and that certificate should contain in bold duplicate share certificate. So student, this was for today. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.